Wow, I'm so excited about this. It's so exciting. Brand new updates for Power Lead System. You got to see this. I've been with Power Lead System for over 10 years. It's been paying me on time every time for over 10 years. I've made over 175,000 counting with this system. I'm not saying that just magically happened. I did the work, I showed up, and that could happen to you. You could do better than me. It's all there. But when I did it, it was way more complex than this. We did not have the systems in place that we have now. We did not have a simple back office that walks people through step by step and shows them exactly what to do from the beginning. For me, I had to have my own Facebook group and I had to like train my people. Like I had to do like trainings where I walked them through and showed them what to do. I had to set up their funnels. What I'm going to show you today, you don't have to do any of that. You don't need to know anything about tech. You don't have to set anything up. Like they've literally made this as simple as it possibly can be. And Power Lead System is a company, it's been around for 12 years. Okay. It's been in operation for 12 years. I've been with them for 10. Uh, I built a large team with this program over the years, and it's one of my very favorite programs because there's a lot of value in the products, but also the way the compensation plan works here can pay you very well. Uh, Much better than the majority of programs out there, to be honest with you. And I've tried a lot of different programs over the years, and nothing has matched what Power Lead System has been able to do. And now, with everything we have, it's just never been easier. So let me go through. Okay, brand new back office. Here we go. So this is the getting started. You come in, you clicked on the link in my description, you started your free trial. This is where you're landing. Okay. If you've been on my team in the past and you've been sleeping, you've been in a cave, you haven't been paying attention, now you might want to pay attention because this is big. This is big. This is something I believe is going to put Power Lead System back on the map because no other company's doing this like this. Okay, so let me just there are other companies that have AI. Let me be clear about that. But the compensation plan here is one that could really set you up nicely, both with residual income, which is freedom income, and also with one-time big commissions. Okay, so here we go. Let's start it off. First thing you see is a word from Neil welcoming you to the team. Next step, step one, right here. Join the Facebook group. Get plugged into the community. We have fast start trainings going on, all kinds of stuff going on in that community. So you want to join the Facebook group. Step two, open and read your quick start guide. Step three, make sales this week. And what this is you're purchasing SMS leads. Now, let me back up just a little bit, okay? As a free member, as a 7-day trial member, you are going to be able to purchase a $49 traffic test. Now, what that does is that's going to get you traffic instantly to your system. Even if you haven't paid for Power Lead System yet, you can start doing this traffic test. You keep the leads, and what's going to happen is these leads are going to be followed up with our AI assistant, David, called, texted, as emailed, and voicemail dropped. And also, if the AI can't close them, Neil, the CEO, and his crew will. Okay, so they'll have the opportunity to book an appointment, and Neil or the coaches will call them and answer their questions and lock them into the system. Okay. When word gets out that this system is zero tech, no guesswork, literally ready to go out the box, I guarantee you people are going to start taking notice because there's just nothing out here like this. This is simple. Okay. Um, so I just went over to the back office. Let me go back to the back office. So at 49, that's something new. We did not have the $49 traffic test. It's not solo ads. This is SMS. Now I can tell you from past experience that you really can't find much SMS traffic anymore. Like it's hard to find. I haven't been able to find it. Used to be able to find it. I used to do SMS texting, and I was landing like $5,000 commissions, like sales. with SMS. So I know for a fact SMS is powerful. Unfortunately, it's not easy to find anymore. Uh, the messages, so the leads go into your contact manager inside of Power Lead System. Now, a couple things are happening here. One, the lead is going to, like I said, get followed up with David, the AI agent, and also Neil is going to be calling and closing these leads for you. So it's hands free. What's also cool is there's nothing to set up. When you, because that's the next step, go and purchase traffic. So if you're a free member, you already did, cool. But there's also other options, other packages you can purchase here that are bigger than the $49 traffic test. Okay. So, but those are the steps. That's it. That's all you got to do. So, I mean, I don't know what could be more simple. The only other things to do are decide how much you want to make. Like, how are you positioned to earn, right? So, if we come down here, we have all in right here. And this is new this year, 2025 was this was released. And this is all the products bundled up for a one-time payment of $1,997. And this will pay you $1,500 commissions. And also you can earn commissions on all the products. Nothing will be passed up. You will not lose anything. This is the best bang for your buck. This is where you want to be if you can. Me personally, we did not have this when I started Power Lead System. Up until this year, we did not have it. So what I had to do was I had to purchase each product separately. Doing it this way, you get a savings of $700. Savings of about $700. You're positioned to earn on all products. Now, if you don't want to do this, there are other things you can do that might be more in your price range. But coming from my experience, I'm always going to teach you to position yourself to make the most money. You know, when you're playing small, you earn small. So you definitely want to position yourself to earn the most, especially when you have a powerful system like this one. The other thing they've added is a private area for all-in members. So additional training, things that are not available to anyone else but the all-in members. So that's available now. And let's just come back over here to this get started guide. So you got the new back office right here. Very simple, easy to follow. Even has the events right there. Welcome to Power Lead System. Walks you through what the system is all about. Easily find a place where you can book a call with Neil Guess, the owner of Power Lead System. Book a one-on-one call here. So you just book a call. You get your questions answered. He's going to walk you through, help you get started. If that's what you want to do, it's no pressure. It's not high pressure sales or anything like that. This is just really more of a consultation. If you see the value, you go ahead and get started. Uh, and then they're going to walk you through what you do within your next 24 hours. Now, what's cool about this SMS texting, like they don't need you to go and set up funnels. They don't need you to go set up pages like in the past we had to do that. They don't need you to go get a domain. Literally, all you need is your username, and they show you exactly how to find that. And it's very, very easy to find your username. Okay. Here are the prices for the SMS packages. I got this one, 300 for 3,750. It was actually $315 with the 5% fee. Very easy to purchase. All I did was add my username. I'm done. Now, David is going, once these leads go out, once they start coming in, David's going to do the follow up, and Neil is going to be in there doing what he can to close those leads for me. These leads go into my contact manager, so I get to keep them. I can use them for whatever I want. I can move them out of my autoresponder, out of the contact manager, and I can put them in a third-party autoresponder if I want to and drip on them that way. I can contact them, whatever I want to do. Those are my leads. Also, at the same time, Power Lead System is doing the work for me for Power Lead System. So I don't have to worry about Power Lead System. I can go and promote something else to those leads if I want to. So I think that's really cool, you know. Uh, what you've got what you've got now, that changes everything. A funnel that converts, automate AI, human follow-up, David Neal's team, 3 streams of income, gold. There's a new AI program. It's replacing one of the programs we have where you're going to have live training, up-to-date training on what's hot with AI right now by someone that owns an AI company. So this isn't going to be generic or anything like that. And I believe it's priced very low. Let me see if I can find it in here because it's brand new. Okay, so it's priced at AI. Well, you get a 35 a month. I want to say it's like 45 or 48, 49, something like that. 45, here it is, $45 for that one. And you make a $35 commission on that. um, that's a new product, that's a new update as well. And I think I covered it all. So if you're looking for a way to make significant income with a system, a powerful system, a simple system, where all you have to do is add your username and choose the traffic package you want to start getting leads into your system so they can be followed up with AI and closed with human touch. These systems working for you behind the scenes. Uh, Go to the link in the description and get started right now. Now, I did forget one thing I didn't mention, and I had mentioned this in a previous video. There's another offer. Even as a free member, you can do this. You can earn $50 commissions. So if someone comes in and takes that free offer, and that free offer gives them 2 months of gold for free for 97 bucks, plus weekly NLP coaching, live coaching. And NLP is all about helping you overcome like things that are keeping you stuck, procrastination, fear, anxiety, uh, helping you with productivity, all kinds of things that are going to improve your life, anything that's keeping you stuck, helping you. That's what it is essentially. So that you're going to get access to that training, and you'll see it when you go through. And you'll have that option of purchasing that. It's a one time, you'll never see it again. It's only offered one time. So if that's something that interests you, definitely take advantage of it. I personally attend those trainings and they've helped me a lot, especially like when they talk about gratitude and things like that. Like it's very powerful because there's simple things you can do to almost like rewire your brain, how you think. So all these things that have been holding you back, keeping you stuck, like, for example, maybe you have a problem reaching out to people. Maybe you're afraid of what they think of you. Well, there's certain very simple techniques you can do that will completely change your outlook on that. And you will go out and not have any trouble at all going out and reaching out to people and sharing what you're doing with them. Because that's what produces sales. But now you don't have to do that. Everything here is taken care of. Like I said, and I forgot to show you this. I want to show you this real quick. You got a checklist, but down here we have choose your follow-up style, okay? How the income works, your own goals, how many customers you need, your daily success routine. This is what I was looking for. Your daily success routine. Okay, this is your daily success routine. Check your leads. Let the system follow up. David automation. Drive traffic. Autopilot SMS leads. Optional. Post on social media. Or you can make videos like I do and stay engaged. That's it. That's all you're doing here. Very, very simple. Position yourself to make the most money, get plugged in, and you're off and running. I mean, there's other systems out there that have automation in them as well. Uh, but the way the compensation plan is set up in Power Lead system, like I'm telling you, it can, like when other people on your team are doing what you are doing, this thing can really, really pay nicely. And I've experienced it, so I can say it confidently that that's what happens. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll stop there. Go ahead and click on the link in the description so you can get started. If you have any questions, you could always go and ask David. Like you're going to see a page. Let me just show you. That's my capture page, but let me just go here. You're going to see right here, you can contact David and you can ask any questions, okay? Now you could also contact Neil. I showed you where to do that. So you create a free account. This is before a free account, by the way. So if you're not ready to create a free account, you can come and ask any question you want with David right here. Just click the button and you'll be able to ask any questions. So I'm telling you, everything you could ever need. I'm so excited about this. Everything you could ever need is here. Literally, I can just run traffic to this thing. I don't even have to talk about it. I mean, I will because I'm excited about it. I have a history with it, but I can just have this running in the background and be making commissions, knowing that the follow-up process is happening, knowing that the leads are going into my contact manager, knowing that I can take those leads and put them in my own third-party autoresponder, and I could drip on them with whatever else I want to do. I can send them video. I can do whatever I want to do. It's a full system. I mean, this is so freaking powerful. And you know, the fact that we have a quality lead source, not solo ads, and SMS, which is not easy to find. You can go search, try to find it. Is just really, really exciting. So go ahead and click on that link in the description. Go ahead and get started. Like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Contact David, contact Neil. You have all kinds of ways of going about it. You do not have to be in the dark. I always say get informed. You know, get informed, make a decision, and go for it. You know, joining Power Lead System for me was one of the very best decisions I ever made because it completely changed things for me. So I'm very excited to see what happens going forward. I anticipate some really great things just because of all the systems we have placed and this amazing compensation plan that really no one else has. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you next time.